This is a new house. Are you excited?
Yeah, can we go inside?
Okay, okay.
Hi, 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 hi. Hi, hi, hi.
So today I'm gonna get those picture frames, so I can put them in one box. Quick update, so we're supposed to get the stuff from the basement to move on the other house, but unfortunately the pipes broke, so we don't have water. So change the plan. We need to be there, um, on the new house, so we can have water. So we need to um, be there at the house so we can use.
I'll say hi.
Yes, thank you.
I'll say hi.
Hi.
No,
Wanna say
no.
hi? Hi. Did you see your face? Yeah, so basically, instead of bringing all the stuff from the basement, we are moving the bed, the dresser, so we can be there tonight. So that was the change of plan. So let's see. See you later, guys. Hi, Tiffany.
Cookie.
Hi, Tiffany.
I want to cook.
This is a new house. Are you excited?
Yeah, can we go inside?
Okay, okay. Are you excited, Sammy? Oh wow, I'm automatically connected to the internet on the new house because it's just the same. So let's go inside. So hello guys. Oh my god, look at my face. This is um, my face. I feel so stressed. Yeah, who wouldn't be?
I feel so tired.
Oh yeah, I'm so tired. It's like I went to bed last night packing like 5 o'clock, and then they planned to get the stuff from the basement, and then by the next day, Saturday, tomorrow, um, we're gonna get the bed, the furniture, and everything. But then here comes, like the unexpected. Here comes surprises again. That it just come like the water pipes broke, and you can't get into the basements and everything. So we just decided to like move the furniture and everything. So it just make a lot of changes. Like we need to stay at the house today because there's no water in the house. They turned off the water. So this is what happened, guys. And this is what happens when I feel so stressed. Look at that. But then this is, well, we set up the bed so we're able to take a nap for a while. And Tatay was Tatay is in the other house to get some stuff too. Okay, so this is officially our first day in the house. So I feel so, oh my god, I feel so stressed. My stress level is very high right now. I got a freaking headache from the last 2 days. Yeah, Nico. Nico, where are you? I'm so hungry. So this is like the kids' favorite McDonald's fries, Chick-fil-A, and we order steak. Why not? Sammy, do you like the new house?
Tiffy,
Yeah,
Tiffy, what are you doing?
I did like making the house.
You're done? Okay, come here. You want rub? Come here.
No.
No? Okay, no rub.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Bully for you.
Come on. Hi.
Come on.
Good night, everybody.
Good night, everybody.
First night in the
First
house.
night in the house.
Yay!
Yay!
Do you love your house? Do you love your house?
It's just... Well, I get...
So good night, everybody.
Good night, buddy.
Good night. Come on, up in there. Come on, Sammy, up in there. On the back.
We already did. Come on, I got pizza.
Yay!
Yeah, but you ain't gonna be able to reach the shelf. So, I gotta see. Maybe I can get you a little shelf to put here. If the door open up enough, I gotta wait on it to put more, I guess, so I can open it. That didn't work.
Oh! This is for us.
Mm-hmm. Baby. Come on, mommy help you.
Okay.
Come on, look at that. Ay, nako.
Look, Dad, that's a fish!
1, 2, 3.
I think this is asking questions. Hi, 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 hi. Hi, hi, hi.
Cute. Cute. Look at the camera.
Hi, 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 hi. Hi, 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 hi.
Me, honey.
Hi, hi, hi.
Oh my goodness.
What?
Do you like the house?
Yeah.
Do you like the house?
Yeah, I don't like this house.
Tiffy, do you like the house?
House.
No, I'm just recording.